So let me, I'll tell you, okay, come into the system, okay, and I'll tell you how we can access your system, BW HANA, okay, and all system, okay. So first you will have to come into your here, okay, you can see here, okay, on the command prompt, you will remote desktop connections is there. Just double click on this. Yes, this is the remote desktop connection. So I will mail you, okay, this detail, okay, like, okay, so this is the IP address, okay, this is called basically a remote desktop connection. But in the real time, when you work for any client, they will give the VPN. VPN means a private network. No other your even company will not work. So privately it will work. Okay, even client, a specific client, all the system will work. So either you can use remotely or VPN based on the requirement. So here we are using a remote. Okay, I am giving you even client in the real time, they will give this IP address. Okay, so let me, okay, I'm going to connect here. Yeah, so let me here.
So in real time, we can use this remote desktop also or an
Yes,
SAP
yes,
logon directly installed also, no?
yeah. Depend upon the client. So mostly I'm saying 95% user, okay, or client will give net like remote
A
connection,
remote desktop.
yeah, remote desktop or VPN, okay, especially VPN, okay. So depend upon that client, okay, how they have configured their system. Okay, so let's,
Okay.
okay, so here I am going to BW HANA and whatever the password, okay, I am giving here and just click OK. So see, it is saying, okay, you are connected, and make a note here. Don't use this ideas or this practice system for any official network or official system laptop because it is not. Sometimes it is not connected if you are using official. So use private or disconnect your all the official network or don't use an official network. But sometimes, okay, it is not worked. Okay, so I will tell you use a private or your home network or home laptop or desktop. Okay, so this is yes, yes, you can see I have successfully connected with BW HANA system. Yes, yes, you can see. Okay, this is a complete system we have. Okay, in this system you will have a first of all a GUI. Okay, that is GUI. So no need to install anything in your personal laptop or anywhere. Okay, just I will give this detail to you. Let me tell you what detail I will give it to you. Okay, so I will give just IP address and detail. Okay, and automatically, okay, as I showed you, okay, you have to connect it. Once you connected, you will see here one is the GUI. Okay, so already available, already installed, already configured. No need to do any changes anywhere. Okay, if in case any issues, let me know. Drop us mail. Our team will assist. Okay, anything. Okay, or any doubt, anything you are stuck in the practical sessions. Okay, you can ask question in the next sessions. Okay, so this is we have a BW on HANA. Okay, ECC. Okay, so we have a both system. Majorly in the SAP. Okay, in the real time. Okay, majorly use a two system, SAP or ECC or flat file. Somehow advanced client or some other different clients they have used other tool like SAP, okay, some other ERP tools and all. Okay, so give me 2 minutes. Okay, I am going to